Alright. There it is. 2003 Leatherface.
Oh. Can't even equip anything else.
Oh, that's crazy. The execution. Let's go. Alright. Up the storm. There it is.
Up.
Alright. Let's go.
How does it get to you?
Texas to California, where she viciously
Wow.
murdered several truck drivers
There's
Leatherface
bones.
is real.
along the route. Billy Jasper of Winslow, Arizona, claims he likely had an encounter with
Julian.
aliens at his home over a year
That's
ago.
crazy when
God.
Phil Julian.
Says a young
Ugh,
woman
bro.
in her 20s
You see the way he opened his mouth?
Oh, heck no.
Bro, you're already making noise. I can see that.
Okay.
Hi.
Where were you? What the heck? God. What? What? What?
Where'd you go, bro?
I'm hiding.
Of course you're hiding, bro. Ah. I see your blood. I can see your blood trail. Hi.
Oh, that was door slamming.
Oh my god, it's my game's fragging. Fuck.
Ah, big, what's your team then? Why we suck? Why we suck?
This is the one that's running,
Why?
bro, and
We
hiding.
suck. Why we suck? Why we suck? Why we suck?
Wait, hold on, I just
Why we-
realized. I'm streaming. Cheater.
Let's go. I'm outside. I'm outside trying to find me. Why Lee sucks? Why Lee sucks?
Can you shut up? Can you shut up, shut up, shut up?
Listen.
Lucky it's so damn dark out here.
Oh my god, I just noticed they added an America flag.
I mean, yeah, it's Texas. Wait, they didn't have the Texas flag, bro.
Yeah, they never. Like, I literally just saw it, literally, when I was in the pool, I literally see a Texas flag. Wiley? Why are you so quiet? Look, you suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. Make me.
Of course you're gonna do that, bro.
Make me. Make me? You're so lucky.
I don't know where you went.
That's crazy. I literally just saw you. Nuggets, don't snitch.
Oh, they didn't even have to snitch.
One, Lisa. Thank you. Oh, where are you? I hear you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Right here.
Oh God, that was a jump scare for some reason. I need a bone. Make me? The heck?
Ah!
Oh, heck no.
I don't even see what's happening. I'm
Nice,
drilling
dude.
the ground, bro. I'm not even hitting you.
You're literally drilling me.
You just died to nothing. Hey, man. Okay. Let's go.
My turn.
Yes. I don't know who to be, though. Should I be... I'll be Leland. Why not?
Oh, his
attempting to
smile. Each time when he just sees the victim, he's like, and his face is so weird. That's what he said.
Hurry up. Get out.
Make me.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay. You're upstairs, huh?
Shit. Got your ass.
Yup. Oh, crap.
What the hell is wrong with these people? Yeah, boy.
Salvador sucks.
Okay. Where are you? Let's go. We're not good.
I don't know.
Well, where are you?
I don't know where Grandpa is. I gotta watch out for him.
Horrible.
I'm trying to see. Oh,
Let's go!
you're escaping? I think I know what door you escaped from. Nope, not that one.
Where am I?
You're in King. It's getting a shootout. there. Like me, like me. Not fair.
Why are they doing this? I can use this.
Yo, the doors are locked. Where are you? We did not escape.
How did he not see me?
Damn. Too loud.
So how come I don't see any door open?
You suck.
Well, that means he just finished the generator. I mean, the battery.
Surprise,
What the
motherfucker!
heck? I didn't even see you there. Oh, heck no.
Gonna hear me.
I swear I did not see you there. That's why I didn't have my chainsaw to like max like thing. Nuggets, help me.
Oh, shit.
Heck no.
I hate you, Grandpa. I hate Grandpa.
He's jumping off the well.
Yep.
Might be safe now. Need to find a way out.
Dang, I thought it was that way. I just thought it was that one, but it wasn't. It was the other one. Yeah, it was that one. Wow.
How many are there? Come on.
It's whitey.
Nice.
Escaping. That's where I am.
Oh, where is the...
It's Make Me.
Okay.
That's where it is.
Finally. They're gone. Where are the others?
Make.
Finally.
That's crazy. Where is this battery of generator? Where's it?
Run.
Why stop eating? You
Alright,
should go on a public round.
Huh?
We should go on a public round.
What is that?
Bro, bro.
No, oh, I thought you meant like
You're
I'm
dumb.
a
You're dumb. Oh my god.